the second part of our. Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And salam sejahtera. So we're back again for the second part of our seminar today. So today we're going to our class is um, video version. Okay, now I will share you my screen. So second topic will be the second topic, or actually the topic 6 of this OPM538 is fire safety management. It's an interesting topic, important topic to our awareness and our knowledge with regards to how to deal or how to avoid or how to when we face any fire situation. So fire hazards definition is basically there are three elements which are required to start and sustain a fire, which is oxygen, fuel, and heat. So fire or combustion is the process by which a fire converts fuel and oxygen to energy, and usually in the form of heat. And source of ignition, ignition temperature or combustion point is the temperature at which a given fuel can burst into flame. Okay, so macam-macam fuel ni there's a lot of different fuels we will see later on. And the substance burns released carbon combines with oxygen to form carbon dioxide or monoxide, and liquids and solids, oil and wood, do not burn directly but must be converted to a flammable vapor by heat. So apa sources of fire hazards? So basically almost everything in the environment can be a fuel. Okay, fuel occur as solids, liquids, vapors, and gases. And solid fuels include wood, building decorations and furnishings, styrofoam molds and panels, shredded or crumpled papers, bubble wrap, and shrink wrap. And few solid fuels are or can be made as a fireproof. Maknanya susah, tak boleh kena api kena dia tak hidup lah. Fireproof. So mishandling flammable liquids and flammable gases is a major cause of industrial fires. So as the temperature of any flammable liquid increases, the amount of vapor generated on the surface will also increases. So these are the examples of what causes fires. Among them include smoking activities, heating and cooking, electrical equipment, faulty or wiring, and also rubbish and waste can also cause fire. So there are few class of fires. The class A, ada empat lah basically. Dan special categories yang kelima, class A fires, class B fires, C, D dan special categories. So why do we need to know different class of fire? Because of the materials contained in fire extinguisher of different classes will result to effectiveness on we putting out the fires lah. For example, class A fires, it consists of solid materials such as wood, plastic, textiles, and their products, which is include paper, housing, clothing. Class B fires is flammable liquid and gases. Kalau class C pula, based on the electrical, so referring to live electricity situation, but not include fires other metals which is started by electricity. Maknanya dia api tu memang api daripada electricity lah. Tapi kalau electricity tu menyebabkan kebakaran benda lain, itu bukan class C fire lah. Class D fire, combustible, easily oxidized metals such as aluminium, magnesium, titanium, and zirconium. And special categories is any extremely active oxidizers or mixtures, flammables containing oxygen, nitric acid, hydrogen peroxide, and solid missiles propellants. So yang mana yang, as you can see, are start on these classes, which is starting from class B sampai lah special categories, except for class A, you do not use this class of fire. You tak guna air, water, untuk padam. Kelas A je yang kita boleh padam guna air. So let's have a look at the characteristic of the fire extinguisher. Maknanya bahan pemadam api. Apa dia punya karakteristik dia. Contoh untuk api kelas A tadi tu, konten dalam extinguisher antaranya ialah foam, water and also dry chemical. So mekanisme cara dia padam api ialah chain breaking, cooling, smothering and diluting. Cuma disadvantage dia akan jadi beku if not kept heated. Okay, untuk fire class B, okay, kontennya antaranya ialah dry chemical, bromotrifluoromethane, methane, and other halogenated compounds, foam, carbon dioxide, dry chemical. Mekanisme dia ialah chain breaking, smothering, cooling and shielding. Jadi shielding dan seterusnya disadvantages dia ialah halogenated compound. Okay, maknanya yang kelas B ni tak boleh tembak kat muka orang suka hati sebab dia ada mengandungi halogen. Halogen ni bahaya, bertoksik. C ialah kelas C, apa di dalam tu ialah bromotrifluoromethane, also carbon dioxide dan juga dry chemical. And mechanism ialah chain breaking, smothering, cooling and shielding. So disadvantages sama juga, dia ada halogenated compound and dan bila carbon dioxide dah tamat, dah habis, dia akan api balik lah. Sini kalau kita ingat tadi electricity lah. D ialah specialized powders such as graphite, sand, limestone, soda ash, sodium chloride. Dia punya tu ialah mekanisme cooling and smothering. And disadvantage ialah expensive cover of powder may be broken with resultant reignition. So apa stages of fire yang ada? Bermula dengan incipient stage. Ini saya rasa pernah keluar juga sebelum ni. No visible smoke, no flame and very little heat. Untuk smoldering stage ada combustion sikit, increase and smoke are starting to be visible but you cannot see the flame yet. And then flame stage, where this is the point of ignition occur and flame are visible. Next, heat stage, so there will be a large amount of heat, flame and smoke, and toxic gases are produced and released. So reduction of fire hazard antaranya ialah kita melalui prohibition of smoking near any possible fuels, store any fuels, kertas semua bahan bakar api from areas where electrical spark from tools, equipment, wiring or lightning may occur. Make sure you clean up all flammable liquid spills as soon as it occurs. Keep work areas free from extra supplies of flammable material, paper racks and boxes. And run electrical cords along walls rather than across aisles or in other traffic areas. So, dan wire kadang kita suruh tempat yang sesuai lah. Janganlah letak tempat yang tinggi trafik, ada boleh merosakkan wire dan sebagainya. And turn off the power and completely de-energize equipment before conducting any procedure for maintenance. Next is fire safety program. So a comprehensive fire safety program should have at least the following component. Antaranya assessment, planning, awareness, prevention dan juga response. Antaranya adalah heat detector, radiation detector, smoke detector, flammable gas detector and human detection. So itu saja ringkas about fire safety management lah. Alright. So hope you can post me a question through WhatsApp atau WhatsApp lah with regards to these two topics. Okay, I hope you read further the materials, and also like to let you know that our tests are not going to conduct tonight on 5th December but are postponed by resource person to 12th of December. So you have ample time to read further from chapter 1 to chapter 4 ke 5, chapter 5. We're going to conduct the test on 12th of December. So that's all for today. Hope you have a good day, inshallah. With that, thank you very much, and wabillahi taufiq walhidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you everyone for your kind participation and also your time for having look at this video. So, so with that, bye bye. Thank you.